of yours, what is his name? Slim. Want to start your own business.
Mensen van Elders. Like skinner.
Listen here.
Wat rij je? Stom is een boeintjes hier, man. How much money are you talking about? 20k?
20k? As you mal in your koppen. It took us a whole year to put that money together, man.
Bruh, all the races are in on it. Goldfingers gave me his word, bruh. You're not solid.
That get me, bruh. Goldfingers.
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. Yay! What's Goldfingers?
I don't know who.
Yeah, man, I wat jy nou net saam gewees het, man, 3 minutes ago.
A girl ontken hom nie. So basically what happened was he paid us 500 then for him to look cool. And he said he was just trying to impress his clients.
Clients. Like ons, so julle soos clients. In the scammers.
Bruh, you can see that thing is a fake, bruh. From his jewelry to the shiny suit.
Jy moes kon. Next time as ek kom kry, maak hom dood. Ek sien jou, dood.
Man, he's long gone, man. We're never getting our money back.
Bruh, man, sien me.
Owens, man. Die man is dood. What? This man is dead, bruh.
What you mean he's dead?
Like your cousin one night, he ain't never coming back.
I can't trust those people. Stand back. I can't trust you. You killed the guy, man. You killed the guy, man.